Hey guys. Hello. How are you guys? Oops, minus. Which is British. Okay. Let me make it bigger. Okay, guys. I already took the trade before market open. It was 1 hour ago. So the trade that I took was this trade. Basically, let me show you. Oh, I can show you right here. So as we can see, we got 1 hour OB right here. Same on ES. And I expect to get some sort of rejection from taking this buy side liquidity level. So basically, I entered right here once we took this buy side liquidity with 10 micros. And once we took 1 hour OB, I added 2 micros. My initial stop loss was slightly above New York midnight open. So since I anticipated to get this reaction, I was about to be stopped out, but it's okay. So I was looking at partial at this equal lows, which was body equal lows. And my final target was the test of previous day low level. Actually, anticipate to get this. Unfortunately, stopped out, which is fine. So it was just, in my opinion, textbook setup. So since we have FOMC minutes today and we got big move already down to this 1 hour flat candle. And by the way, let me put this back. And look at the ES. ES failed to take equal lows, but took previous day low level. So basically, I can anticipate some sort of retracement up, which can be manipulation. To took equal lows later. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. So let's see. This equal low still remains key level for me, as well as we have exactly same equal lows on NQ. Failed, but look at this solid reaction from this flat candle. That's crazy. All the way up to this 1 hour OB. So, since I anticipated, I can anticipate some sort of choppy price action, I decided to look for potential trade before market open. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm going to take any trades during the AM session, since PM is always nice. So this is what I took. That's pretty much it for now. Still kind of don't mind to see RTH test of previous day low level. RTH test. So it will be nice to see if my final target can be filled, but it's already without me. So yeah, market is going to be close to tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Most of your trades are, yeah, it's not just on live stream. So I trade on my group actually. But yes, you're right. Most of my trades are taken when I'm focused on price action, but not on the chat, for example. Yeah. Actually, maybe, I trade pre-market maybe like 5 times a year, like maybe 10 times. I usually don't take any trades during pre-market, but since I can anticipate some sort of shallow price action, so I decided to actually anticipate this move down. So from this OB, so it could happen once market open, this reaction down, but happened before. So I was like, okay, I'm going to trade one top step X, express funded account with top step. Just one account, just to try. So if it's going to stop out, well, if not, then perfect. Actually, I don't trade pre-market. It was just, since I can anticipate some sort of consolidation, maybe it's going to be second destroy. I don't know. We will see. So yeah, I just got alert that it's trying to form a 5-minute T-spot, right? And let me bring this back. And based on this, we remember, if you have 5-minute T-spot, we want to, it's basically 1 hour sweep, right? We anticipate to get retracement back to this T-spot. I'm going to show you right now. And inversion fair value gap on minute chart, 1 minute chart. If it may form this, it should offer 2-hour trade where you can aim for your target level, right? So it's right here. So we just got hourly sweep. And this green box right here is T-spot. So basically we got the retracement already down to this T-spot. And let's switch on 1 minute chart. I would say it offered 1 minute inversion fair value gap. Let's actually forward test together. Where is my... So T-trades recommend to aim for 2R. So basically 2R is going to be like, fixed risk reward. Like this. Based on this idea. So we will see. I don't have plans for longs. Honestly, yeah, we can retrace higher, especially once 1 hour min threshold of 1 hour OB invalidated. We can retrace higher, but as long as we stay below this 1 hour OB, preferably to see an attempt to take previous day low level again. So basically RTH test, right? Initial target right here. So as you can see, my final target at this trade was previous day low level. But once again, we will see. So no reason to take any trades right it's open, right? We will see. Actually, if I decided to leave initial stop loss right here, I could be still in this trade, but fine. What I would like to see is potential RTH test of previous day low level. Looks like, I'm sorry guys, looks like, let me bring this back. Looks like we got sweep right here. If you don't mind, I'm going to hide this. I don't need this right now, especially right at the market open. So this purple line right here is 1 hour OB. Incurred took this level. Let's see. Makes sense to offer RCH test of previous day low level. Why? Because this level was taken before market open. Just, RTH test. We have a sell side liquidity right above this level. Let's see. Same right here. I need to create a template for TradingView for high-timeframe levels. Let's create this right now while we are waiting. 6 windows and yes, right here and yes, right here and Q and Q and Q. Okay, let's do 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, and 4 hour chart. Perfect. Okay, what I can see on high time frame, it's trying to respect not only 1 hour OB on NQ, but also 1 hour bearish fair value gap. On 4 hour chart, nothing interesting, honestly. On 15-minute chart, also trying to respect 15-minute bearish fair value gap. No, I took the trade at 8:31 and 32. Little bit before. It was before 8:30 actually. Okay, so far Oh, I need to turn on DVR. Actually, I turned off this. I was like, okay, my bad. Okay, I'm going to do this next time. Thank you for letting me know. So right now, still makes sense, in my opinion, to at least try to offer RTH test of previous day low level. This level was taken on both yes and NQ, so I would like to see this level taken on both yes and NQ. So basically RTH test. And guys, today I'm going to do giveaway. I'm going to give away to MyFundedFutures 50k starter plan accounts. So far, okay, what's the low? It's 808, right? So far, no SMT, so nothing yet. I'm going to check stat map. Actually, I'm going to duplicate, I guess, this window. To show you stat map levels. Let's do this. I need stat map levels, I need 4-hour and daily levels. Apply to this indicator to all layout right here. And let's open 15-minute chart. Hide drawings. Let's see what stat map levels will show us. Well, okay, perfect. We got daily open, move above daily open right here, and then move all the way down to opposite manipulation level. Same right here, but I would say it's not that perfect as on ES. But still, nice. So basically, if I want to trade these levels, I'm going to short of this inversion right here with stop loss above this thing. Or, for example, we got equal highs if I want to consider bodies. With partial at this daily open and final target at this manipulation level. Oh, it's still 2R. I would say once again, it's not that perfect on NQ since it was so close to take bearish manipulation level. But actually, it did not. Well, what about 4-hour levels right here? Still, I cannot see like perfect 4-hour range. So we still have 24 minutes, but I would say I cannot see perfect range formed on 4-hour chart. So overall, just looking at these levels, makes sense to at least test 4-hour open or 6 a.m. open. This may try to complete the range. This is seek and destroy. I mean, okay. And so far, just sweep right here. By the way, let's highlight 6 a.m. open. It was at this candle. Okay. It will be our current 4-hour open. So just looking at these levels right here, I guess NQ might try to offer the test of 4-hour open before 10 a.m. So far, both trying to offer sweep right here, so I cannot see strong break. So, I mean, yeah, we got big wick right here, but it's not strong break, it's nothing. You know, if it may offer RTH test of previous day low level first and give us reaction with 5-minute OB before 10 a.m., it will be so nice to look for potential move higher to 4 open. Just all I would like to see first is an attempt, at least attempt, to take previous day low level. I need to see this RTH test. Why? Since this level was taken before market open, makes sense to at least to try to offer RTH test. You mean key levels must be taken between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. in my opinion. I would say it's a little bit painful. It's a little bit painful if they want to reach this previous day low level. Once again, I took this trade before market open. Actually, it was reaction from 1 hour OB with partial at this exactly at this level. I took partial at this level right here, and then reversed. I was like, I'm going to move my stop loss from this New York midnight open to break even. It was slightly in profit, honestly, and I stepped out with my runner. I mean, annoying. But once again, still makes sense for me to offer RCH test of previous day low level. If you just joined, I'm going to repeat again why. So in my opinion, key levels, such as, for example, previous day low level, previous day high level, previous week high, previous week low, let's say previous month high, previous month low, must be taken between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. That was the reason of my final target. Well, what is RTH? RTH is regular trading hours. But come on, I mean, I had to move my stop loss at least at break even after taking partial. Such a big move down, so it doesn't really make sense to not move my stop loss at this point. Even just checking this trade, in my opinion, it must be break even after partial. Especially partial was like almost 60 points. It was actually 60 points. So far, we got minor SMT between ES and NQ. So as we can see, it's minor SMT right now. I know, it kind of makes sense. Kind of even hard to trust they want to leave previous day low level. It's okay, I'm going to switch on 1 minute chart right now. Oh, 1 minute chart looks so nice. Amazing chart. Yeah, I guess I need to stay in 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart a little bit better right now. Anyway, yeah, as long as we stay below 1 hour OB on both yes and Q, let me adjust this OB on yes, so it's easy to see for you guys. Makes sense to see previous day low level. You asked daily. Okay, I just figured out how to fix this. I will do this next time. So trying to test the claimed fair value gap. Let's see how we can react from here. So if I want to consider another trade, my another trade will be taken after 10 a.m. Overall, yes, bias. Not, I mean, it's not like long right now, but overall makes sense after taking previous day low level, in my opinion, to run above New York midnight open. Where? So this 4 hour open. We still have 18 more minutes. Minor SMT between yes and NQ, right? Let's highlight this. Between yes and Q. I call this minor because, in my opinion, it still just makes sense. To take previous day low level. Trying to respect the reclaimed fair value gap right here. Sometimes I forget to give it a name, reclaimed fair value gap. So the plan, actually, let's read the plan. Let's read the pre-market plan, guys. Where it started. Yeah, right here. As long as ES, not ES, and Q, closing below this 1 hour order block, I would like to see reaction down to take equal lows. These equal lows actually that I took right. It was written like at 8 a.m. So this equal lows right here, basically bodies, and then my final target is going to be previous day low level. So if no reaction from previous day low level, what I mean by reaction, I would like to see 5-minute OB. I would like to see continuation lower to the 15-minute equal lows, which is right here. But so far, from where I took partial, it was, yeah, somewhere right here, 17 actually. So at this range, this is where I would like to say NQ will protect bullish buy. So basically, right here, it will be like some sort of fight between bearish and bullish macro. So as long as we stay inside this range, I would like to see 5-minute smart money reversal. Based on my plan, to consider continuation higher to New York midnight open. But ideally, once again, previous day low levels and same 5-minute smart money reversal with break above New York midnight open. How to call this? Bullish black. This means, and as long as we stay inside this area right here, preferable to take previous day low level. This means I'm going to move a little bit lower. I would like to see move above New York midnight open. Okay, I took the trade today. It was before market open. But same idea. So we tested 1 hour OB. I want to see move to previous day low level. Actually, exactly what I'm talking about right now. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know when I'm going to be stopped to be sick. It's already like 4 weeks, I would say. Nothing helps. Once again, why I took this trade? In my opinion, 1 hour order block, which was right here, was high probability. Why? Since we got move above this buy side liquidity, then a sequence of this up close candles. So basically, we can wait for the closure, right? Honey water. Actually, I think this. Okay, come back to this price action. Remember what I posted on Twitter? It was, I guess, Sunday or Saturday, where I said I will look for order block formation. I mean, I don't care which time frame it is. It can be any time frame. I don't really need to know which time frame it is. But we got run on this buy side liquidity level with this sequence up close candles, right? 3 candles right here. Then we got the closure with displacement. That's pretty much enough for us to say we would like to try to short at least. So with this move up right here, it was like, what time it was? 8:35, 8:36. We tested this OB. Obviously, it's so hard for me to trade on this next candle because stop loss more than 100 points. Who said honey water? It's not good, right? So once again, I was waiting for the retest of this level. On lower time frame, I will look for the entry. Switching on 1 minute chart right here. So basically, I saw displacement right here where I entered the trade when it like invalidated with this week right here, but failed to close above 50%. I decided to add right here. That's pretty much it. My stop loss was above New York midnight open. I was like 2 ticks away from my stop loss, but still play out. at least to partial level. And final target was previous daily level. We are trading between VWAP and 1 standard deviation. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do giveaway. I will start doing giveaway at 10:30 a.m. I will send the link in the chat. You just need to enter right there. It's going to be Google Doc. Still trying to respect this bullish block. I don't know how to call this box right here. Let's see the name box. But once again, if I want to consider continuation higher, preferably once again from previous day low level, but okay, acceptable box right here. I mean, reaction right here. I need to have 5-minute smart money reversal. Do we have smart money reversal on 5-minute chart? Not really, right? Nothing yet. Did you change your hair color? I guess you're third person who asked me. Yes. Giveaway is going to be at 10:30 a.m., guys. So bullish bugs, guys. It's not perfect, the name. This is where I would like to see potential reversal, smart money reversal. So this high is potential 5-minute smart change in the state of delivery. So which may start confirming potential smart money reversal. So far, it's not smart money reversal, right? Nothing happened yet. Support zone, yeah, maybe. So okay, this box is, let me show you. This box is between these equal lows right here. I'm not sure if you can see this. Let me move. This box is based on this equal lows right here. Since price trying to respect this many times, I've decided to consider this, as potential support. And also be done to previous day low level. So basically, yeah, I anticipate to get RTH test, and the box is right here. Right here. As long as you stay in this box, this is where I would like to see 5-minute smart money reversal. Why not to play price divergence? You mean smart SMT divergence? It's not free money. I would say not every single SMT divergence is going to play out. In order to at least consider smart money reversal based on SMT divergence, we must take some sort of level. So we cannot reverse from nowhere, right? Even if it offered SMT, but ES and NQ failed to take some sort of higher frame level, it doesn't make sense to talk about SMT divergence. I mean, right here, yeah, we got the test of this, retested this 5-minute breakaway gap. We got minor run on this sell side liquidity. But I'm not ready to say that was some sort of high frame level. Sometimes, yeah, we will see SMT at nowhere. I mean, it's reversed from nowhere. We did not take any levels, but SMT was offered. It doesn't make sense for me to consider any trade based on this. Once again, in order to reverse, we must take any high frame level. It can be liquidity level. It can be, I don't know, like support, resistance, PD. It's up to you. But in order to consider reversal, we must take this kind of high frame level. In my opinion, it's not smart to say, okay, we're expecting, I would say, I don't know, like 1-minute liquidity level. Absolutely doesn't make sense to say, okay, this is smart money reversal. Absolutely doesn't make sense. But if, for example, we run 4-hour level, daily level, weekly level, yes, at this point I can say, okay, potential reversal. This is why I said previous day low level, previous day high level, previous week high, previous month high, and so on. These levels must be taken between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. That's pretty much it. So in my opinion, this SMT doesn't make sense since it was, I call this minor SMT. So nothing happened in high time frame at this point. If you just open 15-minute chart, even 1 hour chart, you see nothing happened with this move down, with this SMT. Nothing. Look at ES, previous day low taken. Amazing. Brilliant. Perfect. And excellent. I hope, guys, this makes sense, right? So at least previous day low was taken, right? I mean, during RTH, and that's important. That's very important for me. So I would say I'm going to delete this. Once again, it doesn't make sense for me. This is why I call this minor. Next level is going to be this equal lows. That's still 15-minute equal lows or hourly equal lows. It's just easier to see on 15-minute chart, I would say. My concern still is this previous day low level on NQ. Once again, see how important to understand how we want to consider smart money reversal. So let's say, yeah, we have seek and destroy. Obviously, if you want to consider potential reversal, it's stupid to talk about 1-minute chart. In my opinion. At least 5-minute charts for changing the state of delivery, which, once again, changing the state of delivery, why we call this like this? So changing the state of delivery means changing something, right? At this point, if you want to talk about trading, that's change in order flow. Can we say we got something once again right here? With this move up, absolutely nothing happened. Yet. I hope it makes sense, right? It just doesn't make sense, right? In my opinion, to trade 1-minute chart at this point. Now, I'm not against 1-minute chart. Most of my trades executed on 1-minute chart. But once again, I will never execute based on 1-minute confirmation. I mean, if it's going to be, for example, 1-minute change in the state of delivery after we got, let's say, 500 points move up, that's stupid, right? To consider 1-minute reversal. Doesn't make sense. But for example, if you want to switch on 15-minute chart, okay, I will accept 5-minute chart as well. And we can get this change in the state of delivery, which is change in order flow. It makes sense for me, in my opinion, to consider reversal. Even right now, as you can see, I don't want to open 1-minute chart. Because 1-minute chart doesn't look good for me to consider any trades. Makes sense, right? Trying to respect from midnight. Okay. You highlighted on 1-minute chart, right? Okay, most likely. I would say once again, same plan. I call this bullish box. Once again, this bullish box is, I'm going to show you once again. This bullish box is based on this equal lows. It's not liquidity level, right? Equal lows, when I see equal bodies, but not equal wicks, which we usually consider as equal lows. So that's why I took the partial right here. And in my opinion, as you can see, we supported this level, respected this level, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 7 times, 8, 9, 10 times. So basically we swept this 10 times, swept, right? So makes sense for me to consider this level as first support level, and end of this box is going to be previous day low level. As long as we stay once again in this box, 5-minute smart money reversal, for example, run 4-hour open from 6 a.m. Otherwise, absolutely zero reason. Just like open 1-minute chart. I'm just looking on 1-minute chart right here. It's 1-minute chart. I would say, I cannot say I would like to see, I don't know, like short or long at this chart. Nothing tells me this. Yeah, I just don't know how to call this, honestly, guys. We call this support box, bullish box. It's not like ICT concept at this point. This is where I would like to be bullish. in short-term perspective, right? Well, let's see what will happen next. Let's go back on this chart. What I like on ES, previous day low taken, which is important level. If you want to open RTH chart, it's some sort of SMT, point of interest. Not perfect name for me. So point of interest can be previous day low level. Point of interest at this point can be, I don't know, equal lows on ES. That's like key level for me. Guys, let's find a better name for these bullish bugs. I just don't know how to call this. On 1 minute chart, we expected reclaimed. I would say not really. No. Once again. First presented fair value gap. I'm not against fair value gaps, guys, but I'm not going to lie. I'm not good in trading fair value gaps. Leave me spot, exactly. So, I prefer to execute based on order blocks, liquidity sweeps, maybe breaker blocks sometimes, but I would not say I'm not good in fair value gaps. Come on, like real life. As I said, I took pre-market trade only because I anticipate to get this choppy price action. We have FOMC minutes today at 2 p.m. And this means it can be something like this. You'll wait for a PM session. I would say I'm going to wait for 3 p.m. Okay, maybe 2:30 p.m. But yeah. Yeah, guys, by the way, highly recommend to trade. If you have stat map, I'm not going to promote anything right here, but if you have a stat map and just pay attention to what will happen after 2 p.m. So how we react from 4-hour levels. If you don't know what I'm talking about right now, you can go on my Twitter and find last post about this or screenshot this. Just stat map part. Yesterday, by the way, it was... What time it was? It was 2 p.m., if not mistaken. Yeah, by the way, let's actually look at this. It's no reason to look at this price action, in my opinion, right now. It was when I was looking at this chart. It was 10 p.m. because I finished. I finished reading the book around like 10:30. Yeah, it was around 10:30. Yeah, like this. Don't remember exact name. But what happened right here? I'm going to show you something right now. It's not in hindsight, by the way. I saw this in real time, but I wasn't ready to trade this. So pretty much consolidation right here. We got 4-hour open. This orange line is 4-hour open. This pink line is bullish 4-hour manipulation. This opposite pink line is bearish 4-hour manipulation level. I guess, can you see this, guys? I'm going to move a little bit like this. So let's read the rules first if you want to trade something. 4-hour levels for short term, right? If you want to be bullish, why we want to be bullish? Since we already run bullish 4-hour manipulation level. Bullish buys between 4-hour open and bullish manipulation level. Wait for 2 or 5 minute inversion for a value gap. By the way, I recommend to wait for 2-minute inversion for a value gap. Works better in terms of risk reward. After this, we are going to enter this inversion for a value gap and aim for partial level at 4-hour open. And it's very important to take partial at 4-hour open. If you decided to enter with one contract, you will take profit there. It's not financial advice, just my recommendation. So once again, let's say we entered this 2-minute inversion for a value gap with stop loss below the swing, obviously. Partial, if you have 2 contracts, is going to be right here. If you have 1 contract, final target is going to be here. For example, let's say I entered with 2 micros. minutes. It's up to you what you want to trade. I'm going to take partial right here. Once I took the partial, I'm going to move at break even. Final target is going to be this level right here. So basically we got this move to this 4-hour open, exactly to this 4-hour open, and then reversed. So basically from our partial level or key level, we reversed. This is why it's very important to understand that we must take partials and trail our stop loss. If you trade with one contract, you must take your full profit. You must take the profit at partial level. Makes sense, right? Switching back on 5-minute chart. Okay, guys, it's 10 a.m. Let's forward test this. Like this. Let's forward test this. I'm going to hide these liquidity levels as well. So we got 4-hour open, move above this pink line right here, which is what? Bearish manipulation. And if it wants to, for example, fail to offer OB right here, which is possible, you want to maybe ask me, what will happen if we don't have, not OB, inversion fair value gap? Nothing will happen. We will not execute. Simple, right? So if it wants to fail to offer inversion fair value gap right here, this means no trades. We may see potential continuation higher. This same inversion fair value gap may be right here. I don't know. To aim for this level right here and then this level right here. Otherwise, if no inversion fair value gap, based on my rules to trade the stat map levels, what does it mean? What does it mean? No trades. Guys, what I want to say, you don't need to care about stat map levels if you don't see setup, how to trade this. I mean, of course, we can just expect, I don't know, like this 4 manipulation level and move all the way down to opposite manipulation. But if no setup, no trades. Simple, right? Simple. Just follow the plan. We have the plan, and we are going to trade this plan. Where is it? Where are you accent from? It's Russian accent. Yeah, obviously, I'm not going to execute anything right here. Yeah, we are going, guys. I posted the last post about the stat map levels and fractal model on my Twitter. You know why? Can I teach you English? I guess you need to spend your time on trading rather than teach me English. Okay, I posted the last post on my Twitter about stat map levels and fractal model. Since I want to, you need to read this post before me. Before backtest session that we are going to have soon. So we are going to have backtest session. It's going to be live where we are going to backtest this model. So I'm not going to say it's going to be like it's not going to show us where you need to enter. It's not going to tell you guys if you want to buy this indicator. Okay, buy right here, sell right here. No, we are going to backtest and we will see how often, for example, these 4 levels play out. I don't know, 3 a.m. session, Asia kill zone, PM session, and so on. Guys, people trying to hate me, but they don't know that I don't care. Like, I don't care. If they want to waste their time on this, I mean, I don't care. I feel sorry for these people, but it's okay. I mean, just funny. Okay, look at this move right here. What I can see with this move up right here, we got break above New York midnight open, but ES did nothing. So basically, test of monthly open, that's pretty much it so far. I mean, I don't care. They want to hate me? Okay, we are going to have fun. Yeah, 1 minute, it doesn't really make sense to open even 1 minute chart. I will stay with 5 minute chart right now. We got secondary test of hourly OB. I prefer to not call this like trash price action. It's just, in my opinion, for me, not really tradable right now. But it's okay. On CL, I had analysis for CL. On CL, I don't mind to see the test of weekly open. So if you can drop another 40 cents on CL, that will be amazing. Let's open CL chart real quick. What time frame it was? I don't remember. It was 1 hour chart. Okay. So basically, I'm looking for the test of weekly open, potential support, then twin setup. If it wants to offer twin setup, that will be amazing. Too long. Otherwise, no reason. So at this point, I feel like it's going to be solid twin setup from this level. I would say from this range. Just need to go lower on CL still. Yeah. Weekly open. We tested this level many times already. See? Basically, lots of sweeps right here. And then twin setup. Then amazing. That's the plan for CL. Not going to analyze gold. I don't have any levels highlighted right there. I just did analysis on CL this morning. And Q, are you ready to take previous day low level? I'm waiting for, I would say, 40 minutes already. We're kind of tired. Just take this previous day low level finally. Please. Take this. Be nice with us. Could ES go previous? Everything is possible. I'm not going to predict. I'm usually looking for conservative targets. Conservative target on ES. Once we can drop right here finally and break below this level, is going to be the equal lows. Just trying to find conservative levels. Previous day low level. Take it. Take it. Yeah. Finally. This happened. This happened finally. We were waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. For our levels for a workout? That's amazing. Guys, look at this. Yeah, exactly what we highlighted right here. Explained right here. We got 2-minute inversions. That's crazy. Move also with the, I mean, right here, obviously not perfect. I mean, scalp for 20-30 points. And then manipulation level. Exactly what we discussed before. That's interesting, guys. I mean, it's not like coincident. right? It worked like last week, 3 weeks ago, like 2 months ago. That's interesting. Actually, I'm going to leave this. Giveaway is going to be in 16 minutes, guys. I feel like we still have room to go lower. The equal lows looks so nice. This forced deviation right below the equal lows. We might retrace from this range back to this 1 and 1.5 standard deviation range. Like, not necessary, but still possible. Six points away from this equal lows on ES. So usually, for example, if a couple points away from forced deviation or key level, and we can stack at this range between 2 and 2.5, usually we anticipate to get retracement to the range between 1 and 1.5. And if you hold this range, we should see free fall to forced deviation. And yes, it must be free fall. No, it was right. Interesting. Ideally, I would like to see a move to this blue box. It's not really blue box. Let's change the color. There's a blue box right here. Maybe I'm asking too much, but 40 points move up. We'll see. This is perfect icon. I guess market makers are going to enjoy our icon today. We got SMT between ES and NQ. Sold SMT. Rainbow magnets. It's going to take so much time. Yeah, it's going to take so much time to draw them. So usually, once again, if market wants to finish its job, and no, not trades right here, it's simply retracement, what I anticipate to get. For example, we reversed from 2 and 2.5 standard deviation range, but let's say this range was like not at high frame level, right? We anticipate to get retracement back to the range between 1 and 1.5, and then free fall to 4 standard deviation, as I said before. It was like 1 point away from this range. First in deviation, right, below 15-minute equal lows. A little bit disappointed that it failed to take like by 1 point, but I would say it's acceptable. Since this range is like not super accurate, right? Not extremely accurate right here. But still preferable to see this. Trade guys, right here. Inversion. I know the equal loss looks so nice. I'm going to delete this previous day low level. I'm not really worried about the 15-minute equal lows, but I'm worried about this equal lows on ES. Since it was so close with this move down today at 7:30 to the equal lows, but failed, while NQ took important level. That will be my TP. Maybe after retracement. If they want to retrace right here, that will be nice. No, I'm not in trade, guys. No, not in trade. Just trying to use the tape right now. 3 points away. Yeah, it was 3 points away. I'm going to bring this back. Yes, back on my chart. On my screen right here. Okay, we got a solid move right here. I would say it was. Oh, look at ES, by the way. ES even offered even better move than in Q. I need to backtest more AM session, but because PM session works absolutely amazing. Play out right here. I'm going to journal this. Okay, we entered this box. Once again, if it wants to continue going lower, we must stay in this box. Above this level, this sign of invalidation. Let's see. Let's see, guys. I'm not 24, but thank you. Come on, guys. You're really trying to chase the moves right now? I took one trade. It was before market open. I like to trade TS and M and Q. I don't trade in Q. M and Q. Not yet. Are you getting into another trade? Not yet. $23K. I mean, obviously not today, right? Broke above this range. No closure yet, but already broke this level. Okay, what about giveaway? Guys, I'm going to pin the post right now, link right now. To enter giveaway, I'm going to give away to MyFundedFutures evals, 50K start supply accounts. To enter this giveaway, just click this link to enter this giveaway. Simple, right? So giveaway started. Let's do it. Good luck. Actually, yeah, I'm live every day. So far, oh my god, look at this reaction so far. Minor SMT. Minor SMT. But this was 1 minute fair value gap so far. Oh, lots of people already entered. Guys, you're so fast. You can check on their website if your country can trade with MyFundedFutures. It's not only for US. Yeah, keep in mind this account doesn't have activation fee. It's going to be completely free for you if you want to pause this. You're going to get fund account with no activation fee, right? No, actually I trade with Epix, MyFundedFutures and TopStep. Today I traded TopStep, just one express funded account, just one. So guys, giveaway started. Minor SMT. It needs some levels. But does 15-minute FOG means it's fair value gap imbalance? It's not possible to register from Ukraine. Honestly, I don't know prop firms that works with Ukraine. Yeah, I guess I don't know. What is the reason? What's the question? TapStep works with Ukraine. Okay, you can try this. Actually, my bias was to take previous day low level once market opens. We already got this move. That's what I was waiting for. Right now, I'm going to keep my eyes on this equal lows, since this equal lows ends up with worse than a deviation, but it's not like my daily objective or something. I would like to highlight 50% of this OB. As long as we're below 50%, it's bearish in short term. Let's bring this at the top. But again, as long as we hold this 50%, we have chance to continue going lower. So basically this OB right here. How big is the risk? Guys, it's not trade idea right now, just going to calculate. $18 points. It's not trade idea, just going to observe if we made a test 50% and displays. At this point, it will make sense to try this. It's not that bad, I would say. Guys, if you just joined, I'm doing giveaway right now. You can see I pin post right on the chat. Just click on this, and if you want to try to participate in my giveaway, fill the form. Fill the form. Will Friday be better? I mean, I cannot see the future. I don't know. For me, this 50% is very important level. Once again, as long as we stay below this level, we have a chance to see potential move lower. Otherwise, no interest in shorts. So I will wait for displacement. I'm from Belarus. I'm not Russian. I'm not Ukraine. From Belarus. So cherry paper section was predictable. It was predictable. Not going to lie. It was the main reason why I took the trade before market open, because I knew it's going to be something like this. How to join to giveaway? You can see a pinned post, pinned link in the chat. Just fill the form to participate. So basically, yeah, we are waiting for FOMC, and if you want to trade, it makes sense to trade after FOMC minutes. It's not FOMC today, FOMC minutes. I live in the US. See how we broke above this level with displacement? Crazy. Let me see what kind of level we took. Yes, took pre-market low, while basically it looks like but we are about to get SMT, right? What about SPX? Let me check SPX real quick. SPX interesting reaction from 25% of RTH gap, like almost to the tick from 25% of RTH gap. Okay, I'm going to keep this on my chart. We broke above this box right here as well. I'm going to rename this. So far, we got a reversal from the range between 2 and 2.5. We trade back to the 2-minute inversion for a value gap. So the action on SPX from 25% of RTH gap. Yeah, here's SMT. How big this move was? It was like 175 points move down, then like more than 100 points move up. Back to the range. Looks like yes took pre-market low, which offered SMT on 15-minute chart. Actually, on 1-hour chart. Still visible right there. Yeah, I mean, once you broke above 50%, we got displacement. Obviously, if you want to long right here, your stop loss must be below the swing right here, which is 60 points. How to join giveaway? You can see pinned post, pinned link in the chat. Just fill this form. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I guess I answered. Guys, don't trade every single move that you can see. Just please. If it's dropping, doesn't mean like you need to take this trade immediately. If it's going to like trying to go higher, it doesn't make sense to long immediately. It doesn't make sense. Don't chase this price. To not say after this, I blew my account again. Don't chase this, please. Guess you're funny. Have you taken any trade? It was before market open. Yes, I did take one trade. Right here. That's all I took today. Pretty much took the equal highs, by the way. What time it was? 10:10, and 10:10 is right here. Was it SM, OTM? So far, I see some good signs of potential twin setup right here. As you can see, this is not order block right here. Order block was offered with this move. So far, just trying to find potential twin setup right here. One. Basically, we got one RDRB and one imbalance. Can it be twin setup? I feel like I'm just trying to find short setup everywhere since I anticipate to get the sequel lows taken. That's my concern. Just annoying. How is it possible to leave the equal lows right here? Like, no way. How many points we are away? 15 points away. Is it flat candle? Looks like. I feel like I'm going to fade every single long setup just because this equal lows looks so nice, so obvious. Doesn't have to be today. I mean, yes, you're right, just kind of ridiculous. I was expecting to get this move up before market open, and it seemed like it was perfect logic to take this level. But okay. You know what? This makes sense for me. In my opinion, it makes sense to run this equal lows. I mean, like before FOMC minutes to consolidate right after this. Just, I'm trying to fade once again. I feel like I'm just trying to ignore every single invalidation of this move down. Just not great in my opinion. I will start streaming PM session, but maybe it's kind of hard to stream AM and PM. We can pick couple of days to stream PM and couple of days to stream AM, I guess. I mean, yeah, I already took the trade, so I don't need to worry about any trades right now. I mean, just interesting to see. I'm not trying to find the tap. I'm just trying to find the logic. If it wants to continue going higher, then why? What I will see on the 3-minute chart. Hmm? Okay, twins playing out so nice so far. Flat candle taken on. We have another one, by the way. Only yes. We trace back to this 1 minute for value gap. I like this flat candle. Yeah, flat candle means no weak candle. No weak candle low, no weak candle high. So basically candle without manipulation. And why I would like to see move to this candle? I would say I call this like delayed manipulation. Like delayed manipulation right here. It can be delayed manipulation right here. We have same what else do we have right here? As you can see, we got immediate delivery to this flat candle. We have another one right here, and we just took this candle right here. I mean, on a yes, nice. Nice rejection from this flat candle so far. Let's change the color for this since it was taken. You will see lots of times, it's even on 1 minute chart, you will see how many times, actually, it's pretty often we see the reaction from this flat candle. It doesn't mean like it should be reversal, not at all. But a reaction almost always. So this is still important candle for me right here. So to get, I would say, delayed manipulation. But once again, looks like I'm going to ignore every single sign of invalidation of my shorts ideas. These days, especially I guess in January, it's best way to trade this market is pre-market and PM session. Not going to lie, kind of hard for me to trade AM sessions recently. It was much easier in December, in my opinion. What is on 3-minute chart? Just tell me. What is going on there? We expecting 3-minute fair value gap? I'm sitting just with one trade today, guys, that I took before market open. I like that I don't have any FOMO, so I mean, I have just one target for this for today, and that's equal lows. If it doesn't want to offer opportunity, I mean, it's okay. So we have this equal highs right here. Would like to see break above this level if it wants to invalidate my overall my bias for today. Yeah, I will flip my bias probably above this equal highs right here to aim for New York midnight open. And I will flip my bias on NQ above New York midnight open to aim for 6 a.m. open. Possibly to weekly open, but not sure about weekly open right now. Let me switch on ES. Maybe I will try ES. I will set alert to the equal lows. Inversion or OB. With break above the equal highs right here. Let's delete some levels. So we got this. Two-minute inversion. I'm going to delete this. Another equal highs right here. Guys, giveaway is going to finish in 6 minutes at 11. Just keep in mind. Bit deeper retracement. So if I may break above the equal highs with this retracement down a little bit below monthly open and form inversion for a value gap or order block, should offer something like this, I believe. Since NQ already took this level, only yes makes sense to de-reverse to this level as well. So I will adjust stop loss, obviously, and entry point just need to see what will it form. So we have this equal highs if I want to consider bodies. Let's see. So far, SPX trying to respect 25% of RTH gap, which is nice. What level you can aim for? I would say on SPX, I would like to see a move. Next move, another 5 points move up. So basically break above this level, which by the way nice for me since it lines up with SPX chart. Yeah, same plan on SPX with long. Giveaway is going to be in 3 minutes. So far, I just took one trade on NQ. That's pretty much it. Before market open. Okay, guys. Giveaway time. Not shades anymore today. Let's do giveaway. 1 second. Let's do giveaway. Give me 1 second. Okay. Guys, giveaway time. Okay, here's we have 487 people. Yeah. Oh, you cannot see this. Okay, give me 1 second. Guys, stop. That's it. That's it. We are doing giveaway already. You see this, right? So we got 487 people. I'm doing once again. I'm going to give away to MyFundedFutures 50k starter plan accounts. These accounts will not have activation fees. So once you pass them, you will get free activation basically. So next. Let's move it a little bit like this. Okay. Once again, 487 people. So it starts from 2. Generate. So first winner is 69. Yeah, 69. And this winner is boom, 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 boom. Username is right here. Congratulations. How can I paint this? Give me 1 second. Congratulations. Guys, come on. It's just number. I will not be able, I guess, to find how many people enter it actually. Same name. Okay. Oh, winner. Winner one. Okay, next one. And last one. First, wait. What is going on? Yeah. 460. And 460 is, let's see who is this. Congratulations. He was 65. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's not last giveaway in this month. Yeah, I'm going to do lots of giveaways this month. Four times. Okay, I'm going to send you account. I mean, after the stream, I'm going to prepare your accounts, and it's going to be once again no activation fee accounts. These accounts, you need to pass them, and it's going to be free activation. So you will not need to pay anything for these accounts. So next giveaway, I'm going to give away desk mats. Interesting giveaway, but I'm going to do giveaway with the desk mat. Then I still going to do giveaway for another giveaway for stat map indicator. It's going to be maybe by the end of this month, maybe next month. I'm going to do giveaway of stat map level indicator is going to be a lifetime subscription. But next giveaway is going to be desk mat. Yeah, that's it, guys. Congratulations who won this giveaway. You cannot buy it, but I can do this giveaway with lifetime subscription. You cannot buy it. Yes, you're right. So looks like trying to hold these twins actually. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, with giveaway, you're right. I just don't know how to do this, honestly. But I will think about this. Flat candles is delayed manipulation. Twins trying to hold. What about yes? Yes, trying to hold this equal highs right here, which is nice. I mean, yeah, I'm going to do giveaway of stat map. I'm not sure how many. It's going to be 2 or 3 indicators giveaway. I will think about this. Yeah, I would say we can be done. Twins trying to hold, which is interesting. Maybe we have some sort of SMT. Not really. So, not trade today anymore, guys. That's it. I'm going to wait for 2 p.m. As always, I will try to trade PM where I will trade 4 hour levels, as I said before. Yeah, looks like market doesn't doesn't love me anymore with setups 2 a.m. session. It's okay. So yeah, guys, I will see you on Friday. Yeah, best thing about this, I did not blow any accounts. I simply don't trade this. Yeah, when I feel like I cannot frame the trade, it's much better for me to not take any trades. Okay, guys, I will see you on Friday. Okay? Bye bye, guys.